In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM for Meta. To get started, you will be using the Setup area in Zoho CRM. This is where you connect your social channels so leads and customer interactions can flow into your CRM more smoothly. As you follow along, try to match what you see on your screen, especially the icons and menu locations, since they are usually consistent across accounts. First, click Setup using the gear icon in the top right corner of the Zoho CRM interface. Take a moment to locate the gear symbol because it is easy to miss if you are moving quickly. Once you click it, you should see a Settings or Configuration area open. This section is important because it is the gateway to all channel connections, integrations, and permissions that you will need for this setup. Next, click Channels. You will find this as a category within the Setup area, and it usually helps organize connection options by type. After you select Channels, continue by clicking Social on the left menu. This step matters because social is the specific subsection where you can link platforms like Facebook to your Zoho CRM tools. When you click social, the page should update to show available social integrations or social setup options. Now, you will click the Facebook tab. Look for the option that specifically mentions Facebook, since meta marketing and lead collection are typically managed through this channel. Once you are on the Facebook tab, select Add Account. This action tells Zoho CRM that you want to connect a Facebook page or a Meta account to your CRM. At this stage, Zoho will usually prepare a connection flow, so be ready for a new authorization window or redirect. After you click Add Account, you will be prompted to log in to your Meta or Facebook account. Follow the login page instructions carefully and make sure you are using the correct account that has access to the Facebook assets you want to connect. You should see options to confirm that you want to authorize Zoho CRM to access the necessary permissions. Authorization is a key part of the process, because without it, Zoho CRM cannot securely read or manage the data related to your Facebook marketing and interactions. Next, authorize the permissions. Review what the authorization request is asking for, then proceed to confirm. You may notice that this step is where Meta controls the access, and Zoho CRM simply receives permission based on your confirmation. After you approve, you should be returned back to Zoho CRM. If you do not automatically return, check for a completion screen or a prompt that indicates the connection is successful. This step is what actually completes the link between your CRM and your Facebook account. Once the connection is authorized, your setup should be ready to use. At this point, Zoho CRM is prepared to work with your connected Facebook channel under the social and Facebook configuration. Depending on your account and configuration, you may also see that the Facebook account now appears as connected or listed within the channels area. Take a brief moment to confirm that the Facebook account appears correctly in the Zoho CRM setup screen. If you see the account listed and the connection status looks active, then you have completed the essential steps for linking Zoho CRM with Meta. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.